In this video, I'll show you how to download assets in Figma Project Start by opening Figma and selecting the project where your assets are located. Once the file is open, you'll see your design canvas along with the Layers panel on the left and Settings on the right. To export an asset, first click on the element you want to download. This can be an image, icon, or any design component. You can select it directly on the canvas or choose it from the Layers panel. Next, go to the right-hand panel and make sure you are in the Design tab. Scroll down to the bottom until you find the Export section. Here, you'll see an Export button labeled with the file name. In this example, it's Export Download Assets page. Click that button to prepare the file, then click Export to start the download. A prompt will appear asking where you want to save the file on your computer. Choose your preferred location, then confirm to complete the download. If you want to export multiple assets, simply hold the Control key on your keyboard and select desired multiple layers. You can also multi-select directly from the canvas. After selecting multiple items, follow the same steps for exporting the assets. Go to the Export section and click the Export button. Choose your save location, and your assets will be downloaded together. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.